Pepco has ambition to grow, and we're growing massively fast. At this moment, we have 2.9 thousand stores located in 17 countries in Europe. We are focused on kidswear and also adults and nightwear and housewear, like any decoration in the house. Our goal is to be the biggest, the best, the most known, and also the cheapest discount retailer in Europe. And our strategy is actually to be better, bigger, faster, and cheaper. When we started 3D journey, I was leading the project. I have this garment expertise and I have this experience in quality and also in fitting. I was the manager of pattern making team and also 3D graphic design team. Any decision regarding the product need to be taken very fast to make that product go very quickly to the production and also deliver into the store. So the most important for us was to achieve the consistent fit and reduce amount of samples and also reduce the lead time with submissions and resubmissions of the sampling. On the beginning, actually, you need to really trust 3D and also need to make 3D lead you in that whole process, and actually talking about how the product look like on our avatars, how the fabric behaves on our avatars, and also we were doing a lot of scanning of fabrics. So that was actually the main reason why we choose a Browzwear. So when we started the 3D journey, it was very important for us to make our suppliers to understand where we are and what we would like to achieve. And later on, when we achieved all the consistent fit and the right fit and also the right grading, even in small elements of garment like pockets and yokes, then we moved to head office because we wanted to focus more on designing, on the colors, on printing, on 3D production sample. On the beginning of the project, when we actually checked our first department that we actually were working on, we realized that actually it's 40% reduced fitting. There was 40% of reduced time to approve all any fits and also any submissions, and also timing consuming like 1 month or even 2 months reduced with all the resubmissions. We were very happy with that success. So we actually worked all the time in 3D software because our main goal was to achieve right fit, right size, and right grading. We don't have that many submissions like we had before. We also don't need that much time to spend on working with suppliers about the sampling and waiting for them. And also the cost-wise. This is also a cost for the suppliers because they don't need to produce more samples that they did on the beginning. Virtual pre-production sample is also for them to reduce the cost with the printing and also to changing the printing size, because we are actually giving them the right amount, the right size of the print and where it's located on the garment. So everything was shrinked, and now we are more focused about more detailed technical checking the fabrics, but not on the fit anymore because fit was already solved. So we have more time to develop the shapes and also develop what kind of color will be and also what kind of fabrics will be. Go crazy. I think this is the main advice, because with 3D there is no limitation. 3D is like Pepco growing so fast and making you a lot of opportunities to develop yourself and also develop any ideas that you have in your mind, and you can create anything in 3D. Don't stop yourself to be creative. When you trust 3D, actually you can do whatever you want.